So you're thinking about grabbing the 2025 Ford F-150? Well, you might want to hit the brakes, because just 1 year later, Ford is rolling out the 2026 F-150, and the changes aren't just cosmetic. We're talking redesigned looks, smarter tech, more muscle under the hood, and features that make the 2025 model feel instantly outdated. And here's the kicker. The 2026 isn't even the endgame. Ford has bigger plans brewing that could completely flip the truck market on its head. Before you lock yourself into a purchase you might regret, let's break down why waiting just a little longer could be the smartest move you'll ever make. The 2026 F-150 may not be a full redesign, but Ford made sure it looks fresh enough to turn heads. The first thing you'll notice is the face. Bolder grille patterns, more sculpted lines, and slimmer headlights that give the truck a tougher, more modern stance. It's a shift toward sharper styling without losing that rugged Ford DNA. New wheel options push the updated look even further, and exclusive color choices, like the striking Antimatter Blue, set it apart from anything you could get in 2025. Even small touches, like the way the trim integrates with the body, show that Ford wasn't just repainting the same old truck. They wanted the 2026 to feel like it belongs in a new era. But what makes these updates matter isn't just the aesthetics. Trucks age quickly in a market that's constantly one-upping itself, and Ford knows buyers want something that feels current the moment they drive it off the lot. The 2026 model makes the 2025 look almost outdated by comparison, and that's not an accident. It's Ford's way of rewarding patience. And while the sharper look is reason enough for some buyers to wait, it's just the start of what Ford changed. Step inside the cabin, and the updates become even harder to overlook. Step inside the 2026 F-150, and it's immediately clear Ford wasn't just focused on exterior tweaks. The cabin feels more thought out, more driver-focused, and above all, more useful. The centerpiece is the redesigned center console. Ford kept a clever fold-flat shifter, but made it smoother and more intuitive, letting you convert the space into a flat workspace in seconds. For contractors, commuters, or anyone balancing work and life from the cab, this change is more than just a gimmick. It's a real upgrade in day-to-day practicality. But Ford didn't stop at a trick console. The interior is now loaded with subtle refinements that add up in a big way. Storage spaces are larger and easier to access. Surfaces feel richer to the touch, and little design choices, like rework cup holders and smarter compartment layouts, make the 2026 feel more like a premium SUV than the bare-bones work truck. It's a reminder that Ford isn't just selling toughness anymore. They're selling comfort, convenience, and flexibility to match modern lifestyles. And here's the kicker. These refinements don't just make the truck more pleasant, they solve long-standing frustrations. The 2025 interior worked fine, but it always felt a step behind the competition in terms of everyday usability. The 2026 changes close that gap and even push ahead in some areas, giving buyers who wait a truck that feels more future-proof. But if the interior is all about refinement, the real excitement begins when you pop the hood, because Ford's next move takes things to a whole new level. The heartbeat of any truck is its engine, and Ford knows this better than anyone. That's why the 2026 F-150 doesn't just recycle the same old setup from 2025. It raises the bar. The hybrid variant, which has been one of Ford's biggest gambles in recent years, now gets a major upgrade. Smoother transitions, better fuel efficiency, and improved low-end torque make it far more capable than the version you'd find in the 2025 lineup. It's not just about saving gas. It's about giving you a truck that feels stronger in real-world driving, whether you're hauling a load or just navigating city streets. Then there's the crown jewel, the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8. For years, Ford fans have sworn by this engine's raw power, and for 2026, Ford has dialed it up. With 420 horsepower and 440 lb-ft of torque, the updated V8 outpaces the 2025 model's numbers, making it one of the most capable F-150s ever built. It's the kind of upgrade that doesn't just look good on paper. You'll feel it every time you step on the gas or hook up a heavy trailer. More confidence, more control, and more fun, all packed under the hood. What makes these changes so appealing is how Ford strikes a balance between brute force and everyday practicality. A lot of automakers chase headline numbers, but Ford knows its buyers need reliability as much as raw output. Instead of reinventing the wheel, they refined what already worked, making sure the new hybrid and V8 setups are tested, trustworthy, and capable of handling years of heavy use. That means you're not just buying more power, you're buying durability and peace of mind. Two things truck owners value above all else. And the timing couldn't be better. Competition in the truck market is heating up fast, with rivals like Chevy and Ram constantly pushing for more power and efficiency. If you buy a 2025 F-150, you're stepping into that fight with an older playbook. Wait for the 2026, and suddenly you've got an engine lineup that's tuned to meet those challenges head-on. It's a strategic move by Ford. Keep their trucks competitive now while building toward an even bigger leap in the future. All of this adds up to one clear takeaway. The 2026 isn't just a facelift, it's a performance upgrade. The hybrid gets smarter, the V8 gets stronger, and the lineup as a whole feels more modern and capable. The 2025 won't be obsolete overnight, but anyone who waits will have a truck that outperforms it in almost every measurable way. And while more power is great, Ford didn't stop there. The 2026 F-150 also gets a serious boost where it matters most for modern drivers: technology and safety systems that make every drive smarter, smoother, and safer. The 2026 F-150 isn't just stronger, it's smarter. Ford rolled out a wave of tech and safety upgrades that make the new model feel like a leap forward compared to 2025. Right from the start, you notice the fully digital instrument cluster, now bigger and sharper across more trims. Paired with a larger infotainment screen and an improved interface, the cabin feels less like an old-school truck and more like a command center. It's fast, responsive, and most importantly, easy to use, even when you're on the move. Wireless charging also got a quiet but important upgrade. In 2025, it worked, but it was slow and sometimes finicky. For 2026, Ford sped things up and made the pad larger, ensuring even bulkier phones charge without constant adjustment. It might sound like a small change, but anyone who lives in their truck knows how frustrating laggy tech can be. Ford clearly listened, and these subtle tweaks make daily life behind the wheel smoother and more efficient. But the most talked about tech addition is Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system. Once reserved for higher trims and optional packages, it's now more widely available across the 2026 lineup. The latest version, Blue Cruise 1.3, brings smoother lane changes, smarter adaptive cruise control, and a more confident self-driving experience on highways. For long-haul drivers or daily commuters, that's a game changer. It's not just about comfort, it's about reducing fatigue and adding an extra layer of safety on the road. And Ford didn't forget the fundamentals. Suspension tweaks in the 2026 model improve ride quality, cutting down on bumps and body roll that could make the 2025 feel rough on uneven roads. Combined with better sound insulation and a quieter cabin, the new F-150 doesn't just drive like a truck, it drives like a modern SUV, while keeping its rugged workhorse identity intact. This blending of toughness and refinement is exactly what today's buyers expect. All of these enhancements may seem like incremental steps, but together they create a truck that feels significantly more advanced than the 2025. Better screens, faster charging, smarter driving, and smoother handling. It's the kind of upgrade package that makes waiting worth it. But here's where things take a surprising turn. Even with all these changes, Ford is still holding back. Why? Because the company's eye isn't just on 2026, it's on something much bigger coming down the line. And that's where the real story begins. Now here's where things get interesting. For all the improvements packed into the 2026 F-150, Ford made one thing clear: this is not a full redesign. The truck's core architecture remains the same, and the next complete overhaul isn't expected until 2028. That means the 2026 is what some call a mid-cycle refresh, a polished, more capable version of what we already know, but not the ground-up reinvention some buyers might be waiting for. So why does this matter? Because timing is everything. If you buy the 2025 model, you're essentially getting the last version before these 2026 upgrades arrive. But if you wait for 2026, you're buying into the newest, freshest iteration that will carry Ford's flagship truck for several more years. That puts you in a better position for resale value and keeps your truck feeling current much longer. The 2025, by comparison, risks becoming the forgotten year, the model sandwiched between two big updates. There's also a psychological side to this. Buyers don't want to feel like they missed out. Imagine pulling up with your brand new 2025 F-150, only to see the 2026 version roll past with the sharper front end, better tech, more power, and wider availability of hands-free driving. Suddenly, That new truck doesn't feel so new anymore. Ford has engineered this gap perfectly, giving the 2026 just enough upgrades to make the 2025 seem instantly dated. But here's the catch. While 2026 is the smart move over 2025, it's still not the endgame. Ford is already planning bigger moves for the late 2020s, and that means the 2026 is more of a bridge than a destination. For buyers who want the latest and greatest, this is the truck that will hold the line until the full redesign. For buyers who want to play the long game, it's a reminder that something even more revolutionary is on the horizon, and that's where patience becomes a strategy. The 2026 F-150 may be the best choice in the short term, but Ford isn't stopping there. Behind the scenes, they're working on a shift that could upend the entire truck market. And it's not just about styling or horsepower. It's about changing what a truck is all. And that brings us to the most important reason of all, Ford's upcoming push into affordable electric pickups. For years, the conversation around trucks has been about who can tow more, who can haul more, and who can squeeze out the most horsepower. But Ford sees the writing on the wall. The future isn't just about brute strength, it's about electrification. And here's the bombshell. Ford is already developing a brand new, affordable electric pickup built on a universal EV platform that's expected to hit the market around 2027. Industry insiders say it could launch with a starting price near $30,000, which would completely shake up not just the truck segment, but the EV market as a whole. Why is that such a big deal? Because right now, electric trucks are expensive. Rivals like the Rivian R1T and the GMC Hummer EV cost a fortune, and even Ford's own Lightning can stretch past what most buyers are willing to pay. By streamlining production, slashing parts counts, and cutting assembly time, Ford aims to deliver an EV pickup that's not just for early adopters, but for everyday truck buyers. That means lower costs, better eligibility for federal tax credits, and a much wider audience finally stepping into the EV world. And here's the part that makes waiting so tempting. The 2026 F-150 might be a smart buy, but it's still running on a platform that's nearly a decade old at its core. The upcoming EV, on the other hand, is being designed from the ground up with the new playbook: faster charging, longer range, simplified maintenance. It's a different kind of ownership experience. Ford isn't just selling a truck, they're preparing to sell the future of the pickup market. Think about what that means for resale value. A 2025 F-150 could feel outdated within a year, and even the 2026, while impressive, may start to feel like a stopgap once the EV enters the stage. Buyers who wait for Ford's electric play aren't just waiting for another model year. They're waiting for a shift that could redefine what trucks even are. The next wave isn't about whether you chose the right trim or engine. It's about whether you chose the right era. And that's why patience is powerful. The 2026 F-150 offers smart, practical upgrades that make it worth waiting for. But Ford's EV plans reveal the bigger picture. Trucks are evolving, and the choices buyers make today will determine whether they're driving something that's simply new or something that's part of the next generation of pickups. And with Ford positioning itself to lead that charge, the smartest move might just be to hold off, because what's coming next could change everything. So here's the bottom line. The 2025 F-150 is a solid truck, but buying one now means you're stepping into yesterday's version of what Ford has to offer. The 2026 brings sharper styling, a more refined interior, stronger engines, smarter tech, and features that make the 2025 look like an in-between step rather than a destination. It's the safer bet, the smarter buy, and the one that will hold its value longer. But even then, Ford has made it clear, the 2026 isn't the endgame. The real disruption is coming with their push into affordable EV pickups, a shift that could completely rewrite the rules of the truck market. That's the choice buyers face right now. Do you jump into a 2025 and risk watching it age overnight? Do you wait for the 2026 and enjoy the fresh upgrades that will carry the lineup through the next few years? Or do you hold out even longer, betting on Ford's electric revolution that could change trucks forever? The answer depends on how patient you're willing to be. But one thing's for sure, the smartest move isn't rushing into the 2025, because in the world of pickups, timing isn't just everything. It's the difference between driving the past or owning the future.